The problem that we are interested in is inspection and maintenance. So every critical infrastructure that we build, name it wind turbines, bridges, power lines, and also oil and gas refineries, they need to be inspected and maintained. The problem is that they're located in an area that is difficult to reach by human workers. So the problem that we want to solve is automating this so that it incurs less cost and also is safe for human workers.
Now in this setting, we have two main actors in our proposed method. The first one is the KUKA Easy robot, which acts as a haptic device. The second one is the SAM system, or the cable suspended aerial manipulator, which performs the maintenance or the inspection tasks in the remote location.
So KUKA Easy is a collaborative robot with torque interface, and this enabled us to directly use it as a haptic device. And compared to other haptic devices, KUKA Easy provides a few advantages. So firstly, it provides a larger workspace, and this gives a natural and more intuitive arm motion to the operator.
We will be showing two key demonstrations. The first one is opening of the gas valve on a pipeline. And the second one is the deployment and also the retrieval of a robotic crawler mechanism, which can perform an inspection task on the pipeline itself.
We are using Bayesian deep learning-based perception for a shared control with mixed reality. This enables an easier task execution while also considering uncertainties that may arise in more challenging scenarios.
We want to partner with potential customers and industry to study the more specific use case. So we want to deploy our system in a real field robotic campaigns and demonstrate that the technology that we develop here can provide commercial use cases.
Industrial intelligence.